困，困，困。
sleepy, trapped,
sleepy, trapped.
我困了，我要睡觉了。我困了，我要睡觉了。我困了，我要睡觉了。
I'm sleepy, I'm going to sleep.
I'm sleepy. I'm going to sleep.
坏人把他困在小屋里。坏人把他困在小屋里。坏人把他困在小屋里。
The bad guys trapped him in the cabin.
The bad guys trapped him in the cabin.
他们被困在迷宫里。他们被困在迷宫里。他们被困在迷宫里。
They are trapped in a maze.
They are trapped in a maze.
经济，经济，经济。
Economy,
Economy.
他的家庭经济状况不好，出国留学很困难。他的家庭经济状况不好，出国留学很困难。他的家庭经济状况不好，出国留学很困难。
His family's financial situation is not good. It is difficult to study abroad.
His family's financial situation is not good. It is difficult to study abroad.
疫情对全球经济造成严重的影响。疫情对全球经济造成严重的影响。疫情对全球经济造成严重的影响。
The epidemic has had a serious impact on the global economy.
The epidemic has had a serious impact on the global economy.
科学技术的发展促进了国家经济的复苏。科学技术的发展促进了国家经济的复苏。科学技术的发展促进了国家经济的复苏。
The development of science and technology has promoted the recovery of the national economy.
The development of science and technology has promoted the recovery of the national economy.
条件，条件，条件。
Condition,
Condition.
根据自己的条件，选择自己喜欢的职业。根据自己的条件，选择自己喜欢的职业。根据自己的条件，选择自己喜欢的职业。
choose a career you like based on your own conditions.
Choose a career you like based on your own conditions.
如果家里的经济条件好，可以考虑出国留学。如果家里的经济条件好，可以考虑出国留学。如果家里的经济条件好，可以考虑出国留学。
If your family's financial conditions are good, you can consider studying abroad.
If your family's financial conditions are good, you can consider studying abroad.
申请者需符合基本条件。申请者需符合基本条件。申请者需符合基本条件。
Applicants must meet basic requirements.
Applicants must meet basic requirements.
富，富，富。
Rich,
Rich.
虽然他有一个富爸爸，但是他靠自己努力赚钱生活。虽然他有一个富爸爸，但是他靠自己努力赚钱生活。虽然他有一个富爸爸，但是他靠自己努力赚钱生活。
although he has a rich dad, he relies on his own efforts to make a living.
Although he has a rich dad, he relies on his own efforts to make a living.
他的生意越做越大，他慢慢的富起来了。他的生意越做越大，他慢慢的富起来了。他的生意越做越大，他慢慢的富起来了。
His business grew bigger and bigger, and he slowly became rich.
His business grew bigger and bigger, and he slowly became rich.
他每天装穷，结果却发现他是富二代。他每天装穷，结果却发现他是富二代。他每天装穷，结果却发现他是富二代。
He pretends to be poor every day, but it turns out that he is the second generation of rich people.
He pretends to be poor every day, but it turns out that he is the second generation of rich people.
穷，穷，穷。
Poor.
Poor.
父亲生病了，不能工作，家里很穷。父亲生病了，不能工作，家里很穷。父亲生病了，不能工作，家里很穷。
My father is sick and cannot work, and the family is very poor.
My father is sick and cannot work, and the family is very poor.
他家里很穷，没有能力上学。他家里很穷，没有能力上学。他家里很穷，没有能力上学。
His family is very poor and cannot afford to go to school.
His family is very poor and cannot afford to go to school.
富人越来越富，穷人越来越穷。富人越来越富，穷人越来越穷。富人越来越富，穷人越来越穷。
The rich are getting richer. The poor are getting poorer.
The rich are getting richer. The poor are getting poorer.
等，等，等。
Wait. Etc. And so on.
Wait. Etc. And so on.
你等我一会儿，我马上回来。你等我一会儿，我马上回来。你等我一会儿，我马上回来。
Just wait for me. I will be right back.
Just wait for me. I will be right back.
我喜欢的运动很多，比如跑步、游泳、打羽毛球等。我喜欢的运动很多，比如跑步、游泳、打羽毛球等。我喜欢的运动很多，比如跑步、游泳、打羽毛球等。
I like many sports, such as running, swimming, playing badminton, etc.
I like many sports, such as running, swimming, playing badminton, etc.
他学习了许多外语，如法语、西班牙语、德语等。他学习了许多外语，如法语、西班牙语、德语等。他学习了许多外语，如法语、西班牙语、德语等。
He learned many foreign languages, such as French, Spanish, German, etc.
He learned many foreign languages, such as French, Spanish, German, etc.
谢谢观看。